Sabi ko, inyo na yan. Lumabas ako kagabi. And frankly, I told the military, you want to change? Sabi ko sa military ganito. Mag-prank ako kasi nasabi ko na lahat eh. The problem with you guys, last night, nandiyan sila lahat, is you go on a mutiny, rebellion. You do it, you time it during there's a disturbance in society, a political turmoil. Bigay ninyo, pag panalo nyo, ibigay ninyo sa kabila nung dinipose ninyo. Tapos another set. Yun yung kalaban. So demandahan, then walang ginawa kung maghabol ng kalaban. Pagkatapos, yan, meron na naman. Tapos another communal disagreement, pasok na naman kayo. Then ibigay mo doon sa kontrapartido. Wasting your time. The next time you do it, look for the best 10, 15 na mga utak ng mga bata. Get nan mga undersecretary yan, mga supervisor. Ihulog mo lahat politician, including me. Pero naman ako maglangoy. Dahan-dahan lang. I can always go home to Davao swimming. 1 kilometer a day, okay na yan. Give it to, and then assure them of protection. Give them a salary of, okay, I'll give you 10 million a month. You fuck up, we will kill you. You do good, we will increase your salary by the year, 1 million. For as long as there is want and need to survive, it will go ore. So, suportahan mo. Next time when you assemble anywhere, everywhere, think about it. Do not allow politicians, including me, but I assure you, I won't be around.